So today we've come to Barrow-in-Furness. It's not on the top 10 list of most people's travel plans, but there are some hidden gems. I mean, Barrow's known for its submarine making. It's known for a decline in economy. It's not the prettiest of towns, but it's slowly coming back to life. But around Barrow and down by the water, there's a much prettier side. And so today we've come down to Roanhead. The area is maintained by the National Trust. It's full of birds, it's absolutely full of wildlife, and it's full of sand dunes. And rather large ones at that. So we're going to take a walk round to the Black Huts, which are further around this headland. And we'll take you along and show a little bit of the scenery here. Because despite being very windy, it's rather warm and rather lovely today. Where have they gone? There's oyster catchers.
It's windy.
It is windy. It is very windy. You see the seagulls sort of not making any headway there. Just turn around and pretend you were going the other way. And there's the sand dunes. But for now, just going to keep following the shoreline round. Tide's not due in for another couple of hours, but even if it does come in, you can just step up onto the dunes out of the way of it. I don't know how effective this is going to be since the wind's blowing the sand straight at her. But somebody up there seems to have got a much better idea. Come on then, before the tide comes in. See over the side there's the siege defence wall over at Milham and Havrig. And then the fell in the background going off into the lakes. And you won't be able to hear it because there's far too much wind. But you can hear the oyster catchers and the small gulls peeping away. And there's more dunes back there. Losing my direction. My bearings have me south of home. I've been wrong before. I was waiting in the undertow. I have to see if the wind drops when we get around that corner over there. But it seems to be coming every which way at the moment. Like a lover who ways. Hopefully we're coming up to the end of this headland. It's taken a little bit longer than expected to get around the corner because that corner just kept on going. You can hear the grains of sand all rustling by. It's like walking through smoke. And I was waiting in the undertow. A nice place somewhere to go and sit and wait for a rat bag to catch up. So she's been take 3 steps, take a photo, take another 3 steps, take a photo. So it might take her a while to catch up with me. Oh, you broke it?
There's tons of them.
It's not going to float very well with that much sand inside it. It's a shame. Nice sized one. Oyster catchers over there. And then it's already in the sunshine, which is great. It's the first signs of Barrow. And the last bit of our walk around that little bit of headland just there. Not the fastest walker today. Although the wind's dropped now that we've got round that corner. Everything's gone much quieter. So go on then. When you think of Barrow-in-Furness, do you think of that? Because most people wouldn't. Ooh, aliens! To the dunes now. Let's go and we're down to the black huts. Oh,
That's the place you wanted?
little information sign. Ground nesting birds are breeding in this area for oyster catchers, terns and ring plovers. But we're out of season, so all good.
Is this where you want to be?
This is where I wanted to come down to, yeah.
Is it like a restaurant or is it just a random thing?
It's just a random thing. It's just the black cottages.
Why'd I have a bed on the map? Can you like rent these out?
I think some of them are rentable and then others are lived in, sort of full or part-time. Some are more lived in than others. You have your own paddling pool here. It's just a strange little thing in out of the way.
Hello.
Got that one up on stilts. He looks a bit flat.
You want to return to the ocean, sir?
I think he's gone beyond that point.
Return to the ocean.
See, with that one, there's a pot of paint up on the roof. But in this wind, I think they've probably given up trying to paint it today.
There's a pipe.
So now we're going to go and see if we can find the path that runs up through the back of the reserve back to the car park. And then I think it's time for a cup of coffee.
Dr. Pepper.
And a Dr. Pepper.
Early in the morning, before the sun appears, before the world has even stirred, let's get out of here. We don't need to hurry, the road ahead is clear. Let's follow the coast as far as it goes, or until we disappear. That gives me an idea. Let's get lost together. Let's go chase that postcard. Wish you were here, weather. Let's get lost together. 'Cause if we don't, I know that I won't even last another year. The wind at your shoulders, soft-gin in our ears. There's a whole wide world about to unfurl, not so far from here. So let's get lost together.
It could be in the Med.
Let's go chase that postcard. Wish you were.
It's a really warm September afternoon. You know, those September warm days that you get after the kids have gone back to school. And it's just really peaceful and blue. Really, really blue. Looks like a swan. It's just like stretching its neck out.
Let's go chase that postcard. Let's get lost together.
day 57 in the Barrow-in Desert. We're pink. But we're not far from the car. So that's us done. Almost back at the car. It's a good walk. It takes, I'd give yourself 2-3 hours to walk from the car park we're at right the way round to the Black Huts and back again. We've been in and out of the dunes. They're duney, they're hilly. So yeah, I'd stick to the beach if you want something level. So the other one is still following and still moaning. So that's it. See you next time.
Let's get lost together. Let's go chase that postcard. Wish you were here, weather. Let's get lost together. 'Cause if we don't, I know that I won't even last another year.